previously we have seen this kind of output, right? Interview might ask you, they need this kind of output. Previously you can see that all will be repeating number, but here it will be like different numbers. So we need to use two kind of for loops here. Why? Because one for loop it will fetch that 1 2 3 4 5, and for second only it will give that repeated numbers again and again. So only we are going to use the two for loops. So first I'm going to take n equal to 5 as usual, and for I in range, for I in range I'm going to use the starting value of 1 and the end values which is 5 plus 1, and if I'm going to print it, you know already know, so it give 1 2 3 4 5. So as I said, I'm going to use one more nested for loop which is inside that, for j in range of same starting position as 1, and here for instead of n plus 1 I'm going to give this I value. Okay, so I as a end value, I, as you already know that the n position always minus 1, right? So I'm going to give plus 1, so then only it will give that exact number. Now what I'm going to do is like I'm going to print j, because this loop only gives the proper output. So I'm going to run it. You can see 1 1 2 1 2 3, then 1 2 3 4, then 1 2 3 4 5. Interview might ask this kind of output, right? But we got that in the same single line. So how we can able to achieve this kind of output? So for this I'm going to use end equal to on string, and here I'm going to run it. You can see it will be printed in the single line, but we need this kind of triangle or pyramid pattern, right? So what we're going to do is like I'm on the for loop, I'm going to print empty. There's nothing will be inside. I'm going to run it. Okay, I'm going to run this program. We got that exact output, but that will be like slight changes we need because there is no space in the output. But here the interview might ask you to put in any spaces. Means simply you can give a space here and here too, and then just run the program. You can see exact output we got it. Yeah, you can also try that in the same way.